So I have this 16-year-old refrigerator, my shop refrigerator, recently been making some weird noise. So I thought the refrigerator's going out. I start shopping for a new one. And then I was talking to somebody and they told me sometime it makes vibration in the back. I should just check it and see if something's rubbing somewhere or making vibration. It works really good. It's just that it had that noise, maybe a vibration noise. So I'm gonna show you inside how cold it really gets. We have a temperature gauge in here. Can you see that? Turn the light on. There. It gets really cold. That is reading 10. And that's because I adjusted it. I usually go below 0. I don't want it that cold. So you can see it works really well. I'm about to pull this refrigerator out. Alright, so I'm going to pull this refrigerator out. I'm going to show you what I found in the back. It's going to be that easy for me. Alone. Can't get a good grip on this thing. I can wheel it. Push. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this little cardboard cover off the back. If you look over here, I put something here to help stop some vibration. Annoying noise is what I call it, really. One more screw back there to get. Workplace refrigerator. All we need is to keep something cold around here to drink, especially some beers, you know. Gotta have that beer. I thought for sure that the compressor was going, but I did not find an issue there. All the rubber mounts are still there, and that works pretty good. So I've been poking around, and what I saw when the refrigerator turned on and the fan was going, have you noticed anything? This is the fan that cools the coil over here. Have you noticed anything? There it is. One of the blade broke off on the cooling fan. So with that one blade that broke off, it was vibrating this whole thing here. Making a lot of vibration right here. And it's hitting on the cardboard cover, making all kinds of noise. So today I'm gonna take that motor out of there and replace the fan blade and put it back in. Hopefully that will solve all our problems. plastic parts. They don't last. And you have a whole lot of plastic parts on everything you buy today. Which means everything you have to change it out. Sometimes you're not gonna even get your money worth out of it. It's terrible. Terrible idea. Alright, you're gonna work on your refrigerator. Make sure you unplug your power wire from the wall. First thing. So I'm gonna take these two screws loose right here. Love the electric tool. Makes life easy. Only one problem. I can't get the one in the back. Can I go through the broken blade? Let's try that. Here we go. Little tricks. Alright, so that did not work either. Okay. Guess I need a socket with a swivel and an extension. Alright, so I have an idea for this. You got a swivel socket with an extension, but I found a better idea. Now that I have one screw loose, I can just pull this bracket like that. Reach in the back. There, I got the second screw loose. And you can get this fan. You have to tilt it somehow. Get it to come up. Okay, that's not gonna come out like that. It's not that easy, I guess. I'm either gonna have to. Yeah, that's not wanting to come out. You have all these lined with gas in there. That's holding it back. The next question is, can I change the blade right there where it sits? Can I just pull that blade off of there? Oh wow, it's broken. That's my biggest concern right now, to make sure I have a blade that'll fit on there. Alright, let's try to take this electric fan motor. Okay, that's one screw. Two screws. And I got the electric motor out. I need to unplug it. Yeah. There. I'm gonna get the broken piece off of here, and hopefully my fan blade will fit on this. And there we have it. The motor. Take some of that 16 years of dust off of this. Woo! There's a lot of dust right there. Broken blade. Causes a lot of vibration because it's off balance. Got a lot of weight on this side and none on that side. So you're just trying to do this instead of spinning in a circle. It's spinning, it's trying to whip around like that. And that's where you get your vibration from. So I got these, I got a replacement blade online. I think it's probably about $30 for this blade. I have this neat little tool here. It's going to help me push this off. There. Just like that. There's an old mark right there. I'm going to try to put it back at that mark. Press this in. Yeah. Gotta go a little bit more. The rotation is the same, so I'm good there. To go down a little bit more. I think it's there. I'm just going to go down a tiny bit more. Okay. Right there. Time to give it a test fit. Alright, now we're going to try to test fit this, put it back in the hole. Just going to have to keep move it around a little bit. Get it to go in. Okay, it's in. I'm going to rotate it back into place and put a couple of screws back on it. Attaching the motor back on its bracket. Don't want to over tighten them screws, just barely snug it right there, not even a quarter of a turn. Now I need to check the blade, make sure it's not hitting anything, spinning nice and free. Okay, all right. What I'm gonna do right now is plug the wire back in before I permanently screw it back into place. This is the time to do this part. So tight there to work. There, it's in. Now time to bolt this bad boy back down in place. Gonna reach in there, get that last screw. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Right? It's hard to hold a screw like that and try to get them in the hole. That's all the room I got. Come on. I'm feeling for that hole. There it is. Now I gotta find the threaded hole to put this back into. I think I got it there. Okay, but I cannot catch the thread. So I'm gonna have to use my ratchet to spin it back in there. Try to get it to stand up nice and straight. Check, looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that one screw like that, and then push the bracket back into place and get the other screw. And that's the only way to get that screw in the back end. Slide this back into place, catch the second screw. There. It's all back into place. Now I'm gonna pull out this bad boy back into the wall. And I'm gonna wait for it to fire up. Hopefully sometime soon. Maybe if I open the refrigerator door to help make it warm, might do the trick. Let the cold air out. And let's see who's gonna kick back on here soon. There we go. Ha ha! There we go. I should have done that before I'd taken that fan apart so you can see how much it vibrates. But look at that, no vibration. This was vibrating before. No more vibration. It's running smooth. It's not vibrating. The motor, quiet. It's so quiet. I believe I just solved that problem by just replacing that cooling fan. So I guess sometimes a little thing, if you know how to fix it or to diagnose it, can save you at least $500 from buying a new refrigerator. Maybe I'll get another 5 years out of this. From the way I see it, how quiet it is right now, no signs of a problem of this going bad anytime soon. That line is cold, ice cold, and that one is warm. So I hope that I help somebody out here that may have a similar issue with the refrigerator. You can just pull it from the wall and check the fan in the back and see if they got a broken blade. And if that's the case, just buy a new blade and put it on there. It's available online. So $30 and 1 hour worth of my labor, And I've saved myself 500 bucks. Yep. Thank you for watching. Until next time, we'll see what else we can fix that's broken around here. There we have it. Working again. Wow. Refrigerator is completely out of water. I got beer up there. Oh yeah. Let's have a beer. Congratulations. You fixed the refrigerator. You should have a beer. You know what? I'm gonna put it back because I don't drink. That's just there to make the refrigerator look good. You know? Shop refrigerator. Just got saved.